Auntie Nell's Kitchen. Today is a kind of quick video. You guys know that my son and my daughter, they like juicing. So when Mama is here, Mama brings all kinds of fruits. I just go to load up on any kind of fruit. I think that we'll go in the juicer. So today my son is going to be making pineapple, orange, ginger. Because it has the ginger in it, my stomach tolerates it a little better. Let me show you my baby glasses. This is what I drink my juice from. And because it has the ginger in it, it makes my tummy tolerate it. Yeah, tummy, stomach, gut, whatever you want to call it. Don't judge me. It makes me tolerate a little better. So I put ice in here, then I put the juice in. Because orange and pineapple is very acidic. And the ginger helps me tolerate it better. And it's really good too. So let me show you what we got here. We got some, I think, we have some pineapple, freshly cored pineapple. And my son like appliances like his mother. We use the core, whatever you want to call it. Okay, and we have some oranges. And the oranges were freshly peeled. I'm going to show you guys that technique on how to easily peel an orange. And so we're going to get started. And we have some ginger. So that's been freshly grated. So we're going to get started, okay? Hold on, guys. Okay, we're adding our oranges in. And this thing is called the Kuvings. Oh, Kuvings. I thought he was saying Kuvings. Kuvings 700. So we're going to do that. Got an apple core. We're going to make some apple juice next. Add all this pineapple in. That pineapple looks so good and refreshing. We have our ginger in on the, you can see. All right, let's get that party started. Oh, that's gonna be so refreshing. I don't know what this thing, you see. You know what, when I come to Florida, I always have to go to Winn-Dixie to get my diet. So, because they have flavors. You know, we get tired of, diabetes. We get tired of Coke Zero, Diet Coke, all them zero cola products. We want some fruit flavor. Okay, it's going to start flowing soon. All right. We in business. You see all that fruit. Okay, he's adding more oranges. We're going our second round of fruit. These little things that, I don't know if this came with that thing or not. Mm-hmm. Oh, it did? Okay. If I juiced enough, it would be an investment, but this thing it's expensive. How much that thing cost? He says a lot.
Special for like $500.
So it's like
$700.
It's normally $700, but I can't reveal my son's employer, but he got it on a special. Must be nice to have a job that give you points or whatever they be giving out.
Well, they didn't. No, I bought this.
I thought your job gave you some points. Well, what did they give you? Oh, that's them different bonuses. Okay, he said he bought this with his own money. Well, Auntie not spending any. I'm not buying this. When I get some juice, it'll be when I visit. Just keep it real. Auntie not doing this. Okay, adding the rest of our fruit in. Look at that. We still have fruit left to go. You see how much fruit, juice comes out of that fruit, and it's nothing, you know.
Zero from
almost zero foam, he says.
That's pretty humble.
Got some green apples. We're going to mix those with some kiwi. We're going to use the green and the yellow kiwi. Oh, okay. He's going to mix it with the green and yellow kiwi. And the red apples are just going to be straight apple juice for Mother. That's me. The apples right now are getting a bath. Always clean your fruit. So we got a little, what's in here? Baking soda?
Baking soda and water.
Baking soda always, yeah, that's the way, see, that's the way you clean your fruits and vegetables. A little baking soda, water. Some people add a little vinegar. I just add baking soda. So they're soaking in this baking soda water, getting a nice bath. Clean bath to get all this icky stuff out. Ooh, my juice is ready. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Look at that. Ha, 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 ha. We got all these jars. Use them.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm fine. Well, I know about 10 minutes. But normally I'm fine. So I have my pineapple orange with ginger. And this is, I can't pick that carrot up with one hand. Hold on. So this is what we put it in. This is where he put it in, the carrot face that they buy. So, yep. Guys, I always bake them protein muffins when I come down. So I made blueberry. They're all the muffins I bring down a protein. I made the blueberry, banana, pecan. This is blueberry lemon. And what I did, you can't see it really, but I candied a lemon. I'm going to do it on my channel and show you guys because apparently they like them and I didn't make that many. I didn't make but 5. Well, I made 6. I ate 1. And I made him pistachios. And I didn't make but, I made 6 of those. So I'm always doing something. Look, that's the garbage, right? Okay, pulp. That's the pulp. That was 2 pineapples and an 8-pound bag of oranges, big giant navel oranges. I don't know how many oranges was in it, but that's what that is. My son said they do not throw their pulp away. Oh, I forgot it comes out this side. Look at that. All that pulp is coming out. They compost. They put it in their outside in their plants. So nature blends with nature. Tree huggers. I have 2 nice carrot fades of the pineapple, orange, ginger. So now we are going to be next. We're going to be doing some apple kiwi ginger too.
Yeah.
Apple kiwi ginger juice. They add ginger to all the juice. I'm telling you. All my little fellow gastroparesis people, if you do juice, them adding that ginger, it helps me tolerate it better. Because without that ginger, we're not going to discuss that. Okay, guys, until the next video. All right, guys, see you later. We're getting ready to make some more different types of juice. And so I'll see you guys in a minute. Hugs and kisses to each of you. Love you guys. And thanks for all of your support. Bye, nieces and nephews. Mwah. Bye.